Hello students and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take Retirement of Partner Chapter 4 12th Standard Illustration 4. In my last video I had taken illustration 1, 2, 3 also. So if you want you can go and check out my playlist or my YouTube account. But before that don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to it. So let's get started. Balance sheet of Kale, Gore and Pradhan was as follows. Partners share profit and losses in ratio 3:3:2, and here is the balance sheet given. But quickly we'll move towards the adjustment so that whatever marking and everything is there we can do it, so that we can leave one line for solving adjustments problem in the table. So Pradhan retires from the business on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. The assets were revalued as under: stock, livestock, RDD, plant and machinery. So we'll put a star mark on stock in balance sheet. Stocks, here we have a star mark. Then next is what? Livestock. Livestock will put a star mark. If you want you can put a tick also. Okay. RDD to be maintained at 10%. Okay. RDD means debtors, and stock, livestock, plant and machinery, here it is. Okay, plant and machinery, livestock, debtors, stock, livestock, RDD, plant and machinery, these are done. Okay, now next, the goodwill of the firm is to be valued at rupees 4,000. However, only Pradhan share in it is to be raised in the books and written off immediately. So this will be doing at the time of this has to be done at the time of solving. Okay, so rupees 100 to be written off from creditors. So we'll go back and put a star mark in front of creditors. Okay, creditors. Then next, amount due to Pradhan is to be transferred to her loan account. Okay, so I think all the star mark we have done. So let's start posting of this balance sheet given in the question in the books of accounts, and I have prepared all the accounts. See whichever they have said. What are they have asked? Profit and loss adjustment account, capital account and balance sheet. So here we have a profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, so capital account Kale, Gore and Pradhan, this amount is given 11,000, 15,000, 8,000. We'll post it in the partners capital account on the credit side by balance brought down. Okay, Kale 11,000, Gore 15,000 and Pradhan 8,000. Next, then creditors 8,900. So creditors will go on the liability side. How much is the creditors? 8,900. In the inner column we will write 8,900. Okay, and we'll leave one line because adjustment is there. We have put a star mark, that's why we are writing it in the inner column. Next, bills payable 2,000. Again over here we'll go and write here by liability side, bills payable. How much? 2,000. No adjustment there, so we'll write in the outer column. Okay, then reserve fund. Reserve fund is 4,000, so it will go in partners capital account by reserve fund. And what we will do, the amount we will have to distribute it between all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So we'll do a working note over here. Reserve fund is 4,000. and the profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2. So we'll go here, we'll be writing reserve fund. We will have to calculate how much it is, 4,000, and ratio of partners is what? Profit sharing ratio 3:2. So we'll calculate Kali. So 4,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 plus 3 plus 2. How much it will come? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that gives us 1,500. Okay. Then after Kale we have Gore. Same way. How we are going to calculate? 4,000 multiplied by, Gore's share is 3. 3 divided by 8, that gives 1,500 again. And Pradhan 4,000 into 2 divided by 8, that gives 1,000. Okay, so we'll be posting these figures over here. 1,500 Kale, 1,500 Gore, and Pradhan we got 1,000. Okay, now next. So we have done posting of all the liability side. Now we'll move towards the assets. Okay, so plant and machinery 10,700. So this will go in the asset side, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. How much it is? 10,700. Star mark is put, it means adjustment is there, so we'll write in the inner column 10,700. Okay, and we'll leave one line for solving. Next, building 10,000 in the asset side. No adjustment is there, that's why we are writing it in the outer column. Livestock 10,000. Next, debtors 5,000. Next, stock 6,600. Okay, sorry, it will go here. 6,600. Bank 6,600. Now we have done all the posting of balance sheet. Now we will move towards the adjustment. On the following, Pradhan retires, it means Pradhan is going from the business on 1st April 2018. On the following terms, the assets were revalued as under. Stock 6,300. So value of stock became So value of stock became 6,600. We will go in the balance sheet and stocks we will write 6,300. Okay, so it means depreciation has been done minus depreciation. How much? 300. So this 300 will go in the profit and loss adjustment account over here to stock. How much? 300. Okay, next livestock rupees 10,200. In the outer column we will write 200. It means appreciation has been done of rupees 200, so we'll write plus appreciation, and this will go in the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Live stock 200. Next, then RDD is to be maintained up to 10%. So debtors minus RDD. How much it will be? 10%. It means 500 RDD. So outer column we get obviously 4,500, and this RDD will go in the over here profit and loss adjustment account to RDD. How much? 500. Next, plant and machinery rupees 10,000. Plant and machinery, here it is, it's valued 10,000. So how much? Means 700 is depreciated. So plant and machinery will write over here on the credit side of profit and loss. Plant and how much it was? Plant and machinery 700. So we'll write here 700. Okay, next. The goodwill of the firm is to be valued at rupees 4,000. However, only Pradhan share in it is to be raised in the books and written off immediately. It means only the partner who is retiring, only his share is being raised and written off, not of the other partners, remaining partners. So we'll have to calculate the share of Pradhan. Okay, so we'll do a small calculation. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 4,000. So we'll write over here goodwill. How much it is? 4,000. Now we'll have to calculate share of Pradhan. Share of, what is the profit sharing ratio? 3:3:2, isn't it? So now Pradhan share means 4,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 8. So that gives 1,000. So this 1,000 will go on the credit side of partners capital account by goodwill. So we'll be giving this to Pradhan. So in Pradhan's account we'll be writing 1,000, and this 1,000 is going to be distributed between the remaining partners because it is raised, and they are going to pay. So to goodwill, and we will have to share this 1,000 in their profit sharing ratio. So it was 3:3:2 means 3:3. It means they are sharing equally the share. So we'll just divide 1000 into half. It means it comes 500 each. If you want, you can do the calculation same way as I have done of Pradhan, and it will give you 500. Okay, and we'll put a dash over here, Pradhan. So this goodwill is being raised, and here it is raised and here it is written off. Now rupees 100 to be written off from creditors. So creditors written off means minus written off. How much? 100. So here we get 8800. So this 100 will go in the by creditors 100. Okay, so any more adjustments? Amount due to Pradhan is to be transferred to her, his or her, whatever, to loan account, isn't it? So first what we'll do, we'll close this profit and loss adjustment account, so that whatever the profit or loss is there, it can be distributed between the partners, even the retiring partner. Okay, so we'll just calculate. We'll getting the total of this is 1500, and it comes loss. So by partners capital account, in bracket we'll write loss. How much it is? 1200. So we'll distribute this 1200 loss between all partners, Kale, Gore and Pradhan. So in their profit sharing ratio 3:3:2. So we get 450, 300. Now we'll transfer this in the partners capital account. So here we'll write to profit and loss adjustment account. How much? 450 and 300. Now what they are saying in the last adjustment, amount due to Pradhan is to be transferred to her loan account. So what we will do, first we'll close Pradhan's account. Okay, so we get 10,000 and we'll minus 300 from this 10,000. We get 9,700 and we'll transfer it to Pradhan's loan account. So to loan Pradhan account. Okay, how much? This 9. Now this loan will go in liabilities because we have to pay him, na? So it will go in the liability side over here. Loan Pradhan. How much? It was 9,700. Outer column 9,700, and we'll be closing the rest of the partners account. So we get over here 16,500. The difference we get is 15,550, and here when we close we get 12,500. Here also we get 12,500, and the difference will be putting over here, and this will go to balance carried down. Now how we got this 11,550 and this we have total all this Kale, we got 12,500. Greater side is credit side of Kale is greater and Gore is also credit side is greater, so we'll be putting this and we'll minus the rest of the amount from the total. Okay, so we get the difference and this difference will be said as to balance brought down. Now this will go in liability. Capital account. Kale and Gore. Kale, Gore. So what was the difference? And in the outer column we'll get so. Now I just check whether any adjustment is remaining. No, we have done all. So let's see whether liability will calculate or not, or will tally or not. So the difference we total we get 47,600 and here also 47,600. So our balance sheet has tallied. So I hope you have understood this problem. For any problem, confusion, how was the video, do comment below. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new and you have not done it, so do it right away. Okay, I'll be soon back with another awesome video. Bye bye, take care.